Are you looking to buy yourself an air fryer? In this video, I will show you the best air fryers based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have also included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best family air fryer or the best overall air fryer, all of the best products for you. And as always, if you want more information and updated pricing, make sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 5, we've got the Kazori Air Fryer. The Cosori's 3.7 quart square basket offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared to its round competitors. It's removable and lightweight with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option, which is not common on air fryers. The Kazori Air Fryer can also be used on a manual setting if none of the presets are the perfect fit for you. As of right now, this is the best-selling air fryer on Amazon. It also made good fresh fries and wings. Frozen fries required almost 10 minutes less than the manufacturer's instructions, so keep an eye out on the goodies you're cooking. Then on number 4, we've got the Cuisinart TOA-60. Cuisinart was the first brand to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, convection bake, and air fry. The rectangular 15.5 by 16-inch air fry rack offers a large cooking surface and sits atop a drip and crumb tray for easy cleanups. Since introducing the toaster oven air fryers, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller version with the same features and quality performance, so that could also be an option for you. On number 3, we've got the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. We were impressed with the performance of this air fryer from the maskers of one of our favorite multi-cooker brands. Instant Pot's Instant Vortex Plus is sleek with its stainless steel face and large, easy-to-read buttons. It boasts 6 cooking settings including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with different programmable temperatures and time settings. The dial allows for easy selection, so you don't have to click a button 100 times to get to the temperature you're looking for. That's an amazing feature that you won't find on other air fryers. The air fryer basket is large with 6 quarts and is also square, which creates more cooking space than its round competitors, making a smart home investment for a family. Its removable tray has a thin, hinged handle which allows for easy removability but also lays flat to not disrupt the cooking area. The second product on our list is the Chefman Turbo Fry. In our test, the 3.7 quart Chefman Turbo Fry produced crispy and even results. It was also easy to use with a lightweight air fryer basket. One thing to keep in mind is its vented basket, which promotes air circulation and also allows for dripping if you don't empty the grease buildup between rounds. The removable tray has many vents that benefit from cleaning with a brush. A digital version is available, which we've tested in the past, and allows for more precise temperature and time selection, but if you're not one to program specific times, the Turbo Fry is a great value for your money. Then on number 1, we've got the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The 5.5 quart Ninja Air Fryer was the top performer in our traditional basket-style air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its easy-to-use and read buttons and clear owner's manual. During our test, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket slick, ceramic interior, and removable tray, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out on a plate. Both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer scored the highest in performance as well. It produced crispy and even frozen fries, homemade fries, and chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results and melty cheese. The different settings are programmed with unique maximum and minimum temperatures, so you can intuitively achieve different cooking results, which is another feature that's amazing about this specific product. Alright, and that's it for the best air fryers in 2020 and 2021. If you appreciate this video, please consider leaving a like, and as always, all links to the products in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure you go check that out if you want to. and then I'll see you in the next video.